Good morning and namaskar. Today we'll take a look at Mindtree, one of the upcoming IT software majors. It is becoming a major. It was a minor earlier. Now, in the recent past, it has been acquired by Larsen and Toubro also, and under Larsen and Toubro, it is taking giant steps. So keep an eye on Mindtree. Now, if you want to count IT majors in India, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, thereafter HCL, Infotech, Mindtree, all these things, all of them are doing well. Mindtree especially has done well even in this quarter, reasonably. Let us see the results first and then we will discuss about Mindtree. The net sales in the latest quarter are 1,909 crores. Net sales are 1,909 crores, which is 6.91% lower compared to the previous quarter, 2,051 crores. 1,909 crores in the latest Q1 quarter. In the earlier Q4 quarter, 2,051 crores, which is 6.91% lower quarter on quarter. Now, in the Q1 of last year, the sales were 1,834, but compared to that, the year-on-year increase in sales is 4.07%. So, year-on-year 4.07% higher and quarter-on-quarter 6.91% lower. Now, if you look at the net profits, 213 crores. Of course, it's a small company compared to Infi, TCS, etc. So, 213 crores. Previous quarter, 206 crores. So, 3.3% higher quarter on quarter. Now, last year Q1, the net profit was 93 crores. 213 crores in the latest quarter. Previous quarter, 206 crores and 92.7, or say 93 crores in the Q1 of last year. Now, compared to Q1 of last year, the improvement in net profits is huge, 129.77%, say 130%. Now, quarter on quarter also there is improvement 3.3%. That means profit margin has improved. Equity is 164.4 crores. Reserves 3,237 crores, which is improved from 2,992 crores in previous quarter, and Q1 earlier 3,188. So results are okay. Now the basic EPS is 12.94 compared to 12.53 in the previous quarter and 5.64 in the Q1 of last year. So the percentage improvement is approximately the same, 129.43% year on year and 3.27% quarter on quarter improvement. Current market price is 1,003. So based on that 1,003 current market price and the latest basic EPS of 12.94, if you calculate, the price earning works out to 19. The 52-week low was hardly just 652 rupees. 52-week high is 1,062 rupees. 652.5 low, current is 1,003, and 52-week high is 1,061.8. That is, current price is closer to 52-week high. Will it grow higher? It is likely to grow higher. Now, EBITDA is 26.5 crores in Q1, 47.7 crores in previous quarter Q4, 46.1 in Q1 of last year. So, 26.5 was in Q1 of last year, 47.7 Q4, 46.1 Q1 of the current latest year. So, quarter on quarter there is a decrease of 3.3%, but year on year there is an increase of 74%. EBITDA margin last year 10%, previous quarter 17%, current quarter 18.2%. There is an improvement. Net profit margin last year 5.1, previous quarter 10.1, latest quarter 11.2. There is an improvement. A return on capital employed 15.4 last year the same quarter, 29.4% previous quarter, and 31.1%. So there is a significant improvement compared to the last year. DSO days 66 last year, Q4, and 67 latest. Market price is 1003, price earning is 19.38, 52-week low is 652, and 52-week high is 1061. Now, suppose you invest. Now, what is the likelihood of the improvement in the next 3 years? Let us see. The opening price 3 years before was 516 rupees. Currently 1015. So percentage gain is 96.7%. If you are satisfied with the 96.7% gain in 3 years, you can go for Mindtree. Assuming that the same thing repeats in the next 3 years. Closing price also is similar. 514 3 years before, 976 now closing price, and 90% gain in 3 years. Now we'll see. So, will you gain or lose? You will gain. Now I have seen that all the IT majors have clocked 80 to 90% in 3 years. So, if you are satisfied with an improvement of 80 to 90% in 3 years, you can go for the IT majors. Healthy deal closure, key performance highlights. Healthy deal closure, $391 million in Q1. EBITDA improved by 110 basis points to 18.2% from 17.1%. Profit after tax has improved from $28.3 million to $13.4 million year on year. Revenues by geography. So we'll take the latest quarter. US 79%, Europe 13.1%, India 4.1%, rest of the world 3.8%. US has improved, Europe has come down, India has improved, the rest of the world has come down. US has improved and India has improved. Now, if you look at the revenue by industry, communication technology is 51%, BFSI is 20.3%, retail and manufacturing is 20.6%, travel and hospitality 8.1%. So, this is how, maximum has come from communications, media and technology. BFSI comes next, 20 point. Normally, BFSI is good for the other IT majors. Here, communications. This time it might have fallen for the others also. We'll see. Travel and hospitality is the lowest. It has suffered a lot. It has come down by 50%. Revenue by service offering, if you look at that, data science and engineering services 11.8%, cloud services 4.3%, others 0%, digital 37%, test engineering 15.5%, package solutions 5.5%, infrastructure management and technology support 23.8%, ADM and project engineering 13.3%. So the maximum revenue has come from digital, and digital has always been the mainstay of Mindtree. Next comes infrastructure. So test engineering, package solutions have all suffered. Now there are revenue by project type they have given. Fixed cost projects and fixed monthly 67.1%, project by time and materials 32.9%. Mindtree people, total Mindtree minds, that is people, is 21,955. Of them, software professionals are 20,851. Sales and support is 1,104. Gross addition is 738. Net addition is minus 36. So, attrition in the last 12 months is 16.6%, a bit higher compared to some of the other IT majors. So, Mindtree has got a lot of strengths. Its net profit and net profit margin are both increasing. The weakness is the promoter has slightly decreased his shareholding, it seems. Now, if you look at the valuations, market cap is 16,422 crores. Price earning 21.87, that's not big. So, it is reasonably attractive. Book value 191.8, dividend is 130%. Industry price earning is also approximately similar, 21.75 for the last 12 months. EPS, trailing 12 months, 45.64. Price to book 5.2, dividend yield is 1.3, face value 10 rupees. It's progressing well, reasonably. Promoter shareholding is 73.49. In December it was 73.64. Now it has come down slightly. Pledge is nil. So management is headed by Anil Manibhai Naik. Anil A.M. Naik. Anil Manibhai Naik, non-executive chairman. Shekhari Puram Narayanan Subramanian is the non-executive vice chairman. And managing director and CEO is Debashish Chatterjee. Debashish Chatterjee says, we closed the quarter with a healthy order book of US dollars 391 million despite the global headwinds due to COVID-19. The focus was on operational efficiency that has helped us to post a healthy EBIT of 18.2%. Our client-first approach, future-ready talent coupled with increase in digital demand, we are confident to strengthen our position. So, there has been improvement in net profit. Revenue has seen a slight decline quarter on quarter, but growth year on year, 4.1%. Other highlights are clients, 292 active clients, 6 new clients added during the quarter. So, a lot of deal wins were there during the quarter also. So, Mindtree is confident of marching forward. So, keep it in mind. In COVID quarter also it has done reasonably well. In 3 years the improvement was over 80%. So that we have seen. So overall it's good. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another IT major. Thank you.